Machine Man!
What's good, everybody? Machine Man do machine things. I'm Jason Edmund, aka Machine Man, and it's a pleasure meeting you. For whatever reason, I always seem to have the best conversations and or see the good demonstrations toward the end of the day. But this time is the end of day 2, and I was having a drink while taking in a demonstration by 365 Retail Markets.
Okay, so you want me to demonstrate?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. So I'm getting there not with a credit card but with my
So it all works with the 365 app. Not just the credit card.
Welcome to PicoCooler Breeze.
So right
Please
now
take
I'm
one
like a
product at
customer.
a time and wait for the beep.
So I want Wrigley's, for example, and yellow Red Bull. So it shows here also what I have taken, and it shows the amount.
My bad, guys. I'm showing you all the screen like you can see what's on it. I didn't realize that my phone wasn't picking up the details. The screen is totally blown out. But keep watching. It's a good demonstration, and of course, it's what's trending in vending. Back to it.
If I close it now, then I'm going to charge for $7.99. What if I change my mind? I don't want the Wrigley's Extra. All I need to do is just scan it.
Thank you. Your cart will refresh after next action. Thank you. Your cart will refresh after next action.
Okay, and I put it back. Now I have only the yellow. Yeah, okay. And I changed my mind. Where I have to hurry, I'm just putting it back somewhere, yeah.
Surcharge added.
I get a
That may not be
penalty
the right
because
position
I
for that
didn't put it back into its place.
Make sure you put it
So
in the
it's
right
$2.5 penalty, which is
Because it's 3 anyway.
yeah. So I misbehaved. So I want to correct it.
place. Surcharge removed.
The surcharge is being removed. Now I have this in my hand. If I close,
Put it in the wrong place and actually charge you extra money.
I can put it back. It will know. Okay, so I can also remove.
Oh, it's recording me too.
Yes, it's not recording it when you get. I'm not sure how it works, but when you get access, it makes a photo. I think, yeah. Well, we can take multiple products, so at the same time.
Surcharge added. Multiple products removed. Please scan the
The
products
machine
one
doesn't
after
know what you
another.
have taken because it was within one recognition. So it asks you to scan one by one. And I took this one.
Surcharge removed.
So now it's a little bit. There's a little bit of latency, but the surcharge should be removed, and I have the two buttons now.
So the surcharge that was just present was because it moved two at the same time, or
Yes, yes, because we cannot determine what was taken.
when you scanned it?
Yes, it is one bigger product from the middle. It's the same, so that's why we are not. The machine is not certain about how it works. Yeah, so basically this is the customer side, and there is the driver side or the operator side. We have an app for that. For the operator, where we have inventory management. Sometimes the connection here is really bad, unfortunately. Yeah, and also we have cellular connection for this and Wi-Fi communication between these, and it's a hell of a radio signal jungle here actually, so it's not easy. Okay, now it's connected, so I can see the inventory of the machine. I can correct the inventory if something is wrong. For example, now there was a gentleman who was putting my water there, so it's an unknown product, so I can just delete it. And as a driver, I can fix my inventory. So let's go inside.
Right. So yeah, you're going to get billed.
Yeah, you're going to be billed.
Yeah. You don't try no shit.
Super slow. So I'm entering now as a driver, start service mode. And now
Welcome to PicoCooler Breeze.
I'm a driver now. So let's say I want to rearrange a little bit.
Unknown product.
Sorry, I have to scan first.
Mitchell! Hey, Sally.
So I just scan once, one product, and then I can fill it up. Okay. Driver can also change the planogram, so if I want to change some kind of product, then I can do it very easily through the app. So I just hit a button and scan the product and place it in a desired place, and from that time it will be registered as the place for that product. Also, the system is guiding the restocker or the driver if something is going wrong, if there is a mistake, then the system will correct.
So the customer has to scan every item he takes out? Or
No.
just automatically?
No.
take it one by one.
They don't have to scan. They just have to scan if they put it back, and there is multiple products, so we cannot decide which was taken. So if there is, you take, for example, 2 Red Bulls, same kind, then it's not multiple product because you only have that product type in your hand.
And would the system know it was 2 euro
Yes.
of the same product?
Yes. So it knows that it's the same. For example, you take a sandwich and a Red Bull, then it's multiple products already. You put it back, then it will ask for a scan.
Right.
But usually, people are using it like, okay, they take the item, close the door, and walk away. There is seldom someone who is putting stuff back. Or if they take something, check the price, and then put it back. Yeah. So usually there is no such problem that multiple products and penalties and so on.
No, I see you have all slim cans here. That's just for the show, or you can accommodate regular size bottles?
12
You
ounce
can,
cans.
actually, these pushers are for regular size.
regular size, okay.
And for bottles, so these cans are slim cans, but these are the products we got from around the
Okay.